Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve linear equations. Let's start with an easy example. 2x is equal to 4. We're going to divide both sides by 2. These two x out. That becomes x is equal to 4 over 2, which is equal to x is equal to 4 over 2 is 2. So our answer is x is equal to 2. Let's do another example. Okay, the next example we're going to do is going to be, wait a second, let me just finish this. Okay, it's going to be three x plus 15 is equal to 30. We're going to move this 15 to this side of the equal sign, right here. So that makes it 3x plus, 3x plus, there's no plus actually, it's equal sign there, so I'm very sorry. So 3x, we move the 15 to the other side, so there's nothing else there but 3x, and then it's equal to 30, and as you can see here, we move the 15 over here, and the 15 was a positive number. As you can see right here, it shows that. So since we switch sides, it's going to become a negative number. So minus 15. That becomes 3x is equal to 15, which is, you divide both sides by 3. These cross out. That becomes x is equal to 15 over 3, which is x is equal to 5. So our answer is x is equal to 5. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe, and have a good evening or day.